Hey, bloody hell, let's go.
Up in North Queensland, just south of Mackay, there is a place called Notch Point, and we've been told it's the greatest free camp in all of Queensland. So today we are heading out in our 80 Series Land Cruiser to find out if that's really the case.
It is croc country, officially.
Oh, is that a crocodile? Holy shit, what is that, a bone? Wow, have a go at this thing. It's some kind of whale bone, I think.
That looks delicious.
Well, this is honestly the best free camp we've ever been to in our life, and we can see why we were told to come here, eh?
Yeah, it's insane.
Boys, welcome back to another video. I'm currently pissing into some overgrown grass on the side of the road here in the middle of Queensland. We've been travelling up the coast for the last couple of weeks, and today, oh shit, this car coming. We are going out to one of the greatest campsites, one of the greatest free campsites in Queensland, I reckon. So let's go jump in the car and we'll let you know where we're going. All right, so I've just turned off the Bruce Highway and we are heading out to Notch Point now. When we told people we were traveling up the coast of Queensland, the number one place we got recommended to go to was Notch Point. Yeah. We've probably got told by what, 3 different people? Easy. So out to Notch Point. I didn't realise it's a free camp, so it's completely free to go and stay out here. We've just hit the dirt, and yeah, what's the time? It's about 4 p.m.
This campsite is also completely off-grid.
It's completely off-grid.
No shed, like no water, no toilets. Someone on Wikicamp said 8 days ago they saw 4 crocs.
Yeah, right, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So maybe we can see our first croc of the trip.
We'll see how we go, but I'm so keen to get out here. Apparently there's a little bit of a gnarly dirt track to get out here, so yeah, we'll see us when we get out there, because we cannot wait. Let's go. Alright, we're halfway through setting up camp down there. Have a look at this. Are you kidding me? Wow. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to take my rod down there and have a flick, have a look at the river. There's just all these little inlets and outlets. Alright, we've just whipped up a bit of a feed. This place is insane. What a cracking afternoon. You can tell why people sent us to come here, eh? We've been here only a couple of hours. I reckon this is easily the best free camp I've ever been to in my life, eh?
I can't believe it's free.
It's insane. Like,
the view is just unreal here.
Insane.
I can't wait to explore it more tomorrow.
I can't wait to show you the drone footage, because it is hectic. Sick. But yeah, we're just going to eat dinner. We just whipped up an easy meal tonight, 2-minute noodles and a bit of a steak. Tomorrow night we're cooking up something hectic.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
So you're going to have to stay tuned for that. But we'll see you in the morning. I'm going to get up bright and early, I reckon, and head out for a fish.
And I'll stay in bed.
See you in the morning. Well, as per usual, I had absolutely no luck on the fishing, so it was time to head back and see what Chanel was up to. Here she is. Hi.
I haven't got up yet.
You still in bed?
We're in North Queensland. It's bloody hot and it is croc country officially, which I'm actually really excited about because I love crocs. But that means no swimming in the beach, which kind of sucks. So we're on the hunt. Pardon?
No swimming in the rivers either.
Yeah, or rivers. So we're on the hunt for a little rock pool or something we can submerge in. Hopefully we find something because I need some water. I think I found one.
Think you found one?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks alright. Here we go, there's a nice little pool there. It's not the deepest in the world, is it?
No, but it'll do.
It'll do the job. Hopefully it's deep enough for us to dunk under. It's cold.
Gonna come in?
It looks cold. I thought it'd be warmed up by now because it's so shallow. Is it warm or not?
It's good once you're in.
Alright. I'm gonna get in and find out. Oh, is that a crocodile? No. Ah, that was so refreshing. We've just come back up to camp. Shanoa is whipping up a bit of lunch. Have a go at it. What are we having, Chef?
Chicken salad wraps.
Chicken salad wraps. Oh, bachelor's handbag chicken. This right here is our Dunn Watson kitchen. Have a go at it. It's got a it's actually got a chopping board here, built-in sink, which isn't there at the moment. It's a bit messy.
Very messy.
Very messy. But we absolutely love this thing. And I was actually, when I was fishing down this morning, you would have seen when I was flicking that soft plastic, I actually ran into someone. He goes, I actually sponsor you. And it was one of the fellas from Dunn Watson. So shout out to you if you're watching this video. If you want to go and get one, I'm going to leave the link down in the description to the Dunn Watson kitchens. We've got ours absolutely filled to the brim. As you can see, we've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. What are we keeping here? We've got our bowls, freaking soy sauce and avocados, but all our cutlery over there. And then up the back even further, we've got rice, panko crumbs, flour, sugar, all that kind of stuff. In the front end, there's actually a paper towel holder, but we use it for all of our spices. Down here's where our gas cooker lives. We've just got it over there for a bit of extra room at the moment. But yeah, it's got a built-in sink. Thank you. Built-in chopping board. Thing is an absolute weapon. We're going to hook into some lunch and then I'm going to go on a bit of a strike mission. I've spotted a headland a bit up further. It's probably about a K walk up the beach. I'm going to get a couple of rods, get some big lures and see if I can go pull something off the headland. Brother, what is that? There's no way that's a bone. What is that? Well, have a go at this thing. It's some kind of whale bone, I think. What is that? It's definitely a bone. It's got to be from a whale. There's nothing else. Looks like a freaking dinosaur bone or something. That is insane. I'm going to put the GoPro down and stand next to it because I don't know if the size of it is showing up on camera. Oh, there we go. Have a look at the size of this thing. I'm literally 6'4", so this thing would have to be like 8 foot high. Wow. That is insane. Almost looks like a piece of timber. That is incredible. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. Look at that. It almost looks like timber up here. There's a giant whalebone. Look at that. That is sick. I did not expect to find something like that here. But anyway, we're just about at our headland, so I'm going to go over there, start flicking a stick bait off here, see if we can't pull up a big fish. Let's go. Look at this. Wow. Ah. Oh my god, I was tossing up whether to go on those rocks down here or this big rock here, and I ended up choosing those rocks, which I shouldn't have because the tide's coming up and there's a bit of water between it. And I slipped straight in, nearly broke my ankle, snapped the line on my rod. Oh, spewing, but better news, This ledge here looks incredible. Looks even better than I thought. There's a bit of deep water. There's rocks out over there. So hopefully there's some bigger fish cruising through here. Oh, this better be worth it. I'm going to tie this lure back on. I'm going to sling it. There's a turtle. There's a turtle just poking his head up right here. I don't know if you can see it. See him? Hey. Well, we couldn't catch any fresh fish, but did find this coconut. You know, I can't try this coconut. Oh my god, that is delicious. Never try that.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that's so nice.
How good is that?
Wow, that is so good. I've never actually had one so good like that.
That's perfect, eh?
It's delicious.
Oh, that headland looked incredible. I thought I was going to be on for some fish there, but absolutely no fish. I'm, as you can tell, not the greatest fisherman. But I'm glad I found this coconut because it is delicious. Wow. Well, no surprises, we caught absolutely no fish once again. So I decided to start getting the fire going, ready to cook up tonight's dinner, when we got paid a visit from one of the locals, Mad Mullet. All right, this is Mad. What is it? What's your name?
Mad Mullet from Notch Point. How the bloody hell is going?
What are you going to tell us about this pad that we're camping on here?
This pad here, concrete pad, was built in the Second World War. It was all Besser block hut, and it had all the instruments in there to look for Japanese fighter planes, submarines, and
Really?
and ships
No way.
from the war.
Yeah, I was wondering what it was for.
Yeah, this was when old Murphy had it here. He had a cotton farm up the top here.
Yeah.
Cotton farm.
Yeah, right.
What the hell?
Up here.
My two uncles were here. They were pros,
Yeah.
grabbers and fishers, and rah. Been coming here since I was, I don't know, in my teens.
In your teens.
Now I'm 74, I think.
Still
I
a
don't
young,
wanna
still
know.
a young fella.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
this is Notch Point, beautiful place.
It's the best.
There's 40 islands out here in front of you.
Yep.
I have 1,000 fishing marks. You
Wow.
can catch anything you want.
You'd be doing better than me because I can't catch nothing.
Oh, I could take you places that'll blow you away. There was 70 huts here, fishing huts,
Really?
all around Notch Point here.
Yeah, right.
And Isaac Council knocked them all down.
Really?
There's
Yeah.
a lot of history here.
Yeah.
So
That's
much
cool.
history.
Yeah, that's cool about this pad. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway,
Anyway. it
there's
was
a bit of history.
nice. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, anyway.
Oh.
I've got to let you go.
Nice to meet you, Mullet.
I've taken up too much.
Oh, no, it's good. I love it. That's good. Alright, we'll catch you later. Yeah, you too. 100%. We'll get there. See you later. There he goes. That was Mullet, who runs a lease, the cattle lease or something. He's an absolute legend. He's a big YouTube fan. He'll be watching this right now, so shout out Mullet if you're watching this. He wants us to get to 100,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. We're a fair way off it now, but we'll get there, eh?
We will.
Shout out Mullet. Well, the sun was going down, and as we said earlier, this is a completely off-grid campsite, meaning no toilets or showers, but lucky for us, we have ourselves a Julka Hot Tap Go, which means we can have showers anywhere we like. So we grabbed it out, had ourselves a quick shower, so we could get ready to cook up a mad feed on the fire. Have a go at all of these ingredients. What's on the menu, chef?
We've got a camp oven,
You don't even know what it is.
a camp oven, ramen, pork dumpling.
Yeah, I don't even know what it's called, but we've got pork dumplings, ramen noodles, and a whole bunch of other shit. We're gonna put it all into the camp oven and cook up one hell of a feed. Let's get into it. Oil. Spring onions, half in. Bit of marin. Don't use your kick. Bit of sesame oil. Coconut cream. The whole thing, yeah. 3 packets of ramen. Dumplings. Oh, this is gonna be good.
That looks delicious. Boys are on, boys are on. Oh, I just added a bit of crispy chili oil to mine. Have a go at it. Oh. Yep. So now I was starving. Can't help myself. Thoughts?
It's spicy.
Is it hot? Oh wow. That's actually hectic. A bit spicy. It tastes like a friggin' Thai restaurant or something.
It's really good.
Oh my god. I only took about what, 15-20 minutes in the camp oven.
Yeah.
Extremely easy to make. Didn't have to cut anything up. 100% recommend. What do you call this thing?
It's just like a camp oven red Thai dumpling base.
Far out. Look at the dumplings. 100% recommend.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Thank you, Sire. Morning, everybody. We've just packed up camp. The wind has blown up bad this morning. We knew the weather was going to get bad this weekend. I think we've got a few days of bad weather and then it's going to come good again after that. So hopefully we'll go and bunker down, get some editing done, and then we'll keep heading north and see where else we can end up. But if you've got any recommendations on where we should go next, we are heading north up towards Cairns. Let us know where we should go down in the comments. Notch Point was incredible. This is honestly the best free camp we've ever been to in our life, and we can see why we were told to come here, eh?
Yeah, it's insane.
We'll definitely be back. This place is incredible.
Yeah.
But we're going to keep heading north. Thanks heaps for watching today's video. Let us know down in the comments where we should go next, and we'll see you on the next one. Yo!